Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities for Friday, May 1st, 2026. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mixed today. The S&P 500 ended at 7,229.32, up by 20.30 points, maintaining a very strong rising trend and reaching a new all-time high for the second day. Meanwhile, the Dow 30 slipped by 152.89 points to 49,499.26. The Nasdaq Composite performed strongly, closing at 25,114.44, an increase of 222.13 points, marking 3 consecutive gaining days and a new closing high. However, despite upward trends, market breadth showed more decliners than advancers overall, except for the Nasdaq, where advances were clearly dominant. In terms of returns, the Russell 2000 stood out with a notable year-to-date gain of over 13%. Most indexes, including the Nasdaq Composite and S&P 500, are maintaining strong annual momentum, despite some daily fluctuations. Technology led sector gains, with a climb of 85.38 points to 6,143.8, reflecting robust upward momentum. The consumer, cyclical, and communication services sectors showed mixed signals, with the latter struggling to hold its intraday peak. Energy was the weakest, dropping 11.96 points to 898.27 and maintaining a downtrend with 2 consecutive losing days. The financial services sector also faced challenges, remaining flat for 3 days despite an overall positive trend. Among global markets, Finland and South Korea showed significant strength, reaching new all-time highs with consistent upward trends. Israel also maintained a strong position with 5 consecutive upward closing days. Notably, South Korea achieved an impressive year-to-date return of over 66%. Several markets like Israel and Finland also enjoyed high year-to-date returns, emphasizing their robust performance and strong positive trends. In the technology sector, Apple rose to close at 280.25, gaining 8.90, a 3.2% rise. The stock shows a very strong positive trend and experienced significant upward volatility today. Alphabet reached a milestone, closing at a new all-time high of 383.22, up 1.28, marking a very strong positive trend. Amazon also set a new record high, with its closing at 268.45, rising 3.39, confirming a consistent upward trajectory over 3 days. Meanwhile, Meta Platforms and Nvidia have seen declines, closing down for the 4th day at 608.75 and 198.39, respectively, with Meta in a strong negative trend, while Nvidia maintains a strong positive trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently up at 78,153, rising by 1,847.22, marking a 2.4% increase. Ethereum follows suit with a 1.8% bump to 2,299.9. While BNB is in a mixed negative trend, it remains relatively stable. Solana, part of a strong negative trend, edges up 0.95%. Dogecoin stands out with a 2.4% lift amid significant upward volatility. In terms of returns, Bitcoin shows a monthly gain of 2.42%. Ethereum shares a similar monthly upward movement at 1.87%. Meanwhile, Dogecoin notably recorded a weekly gain of 9.86%. Contrarily, Solana and BNB show slight declines for the week. Yet all are in a recovery mode today.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar that euro is currently at 0.8531, gaining 0.0011. The US dollar saw a mixed negative trend against the euro, remaining flat for the past 3 days. Meanwhile, the US dollar British pound is at 0.7368, up 0.0018, though it faces a very strong negative trend with downward volatility observed today. For the US dollar Japanese yen, it is at 157.0040, an increase of 0.4120, but trends negative amidst very strong downward volatility. As for the US dollar Swiss franc, currently priced at 0.7816, up by a slight 0.0003, it persists in a strong negative trend. Lastly, the US dollar Australian dollar shows a decrease at 1.3880, slipping by 0.0005 as it heads towards an all-time lower close over 2 consecutive days, indicating a very strong negative trend.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.